let's take a look at how to assign an activity to your class. You can do that in two ways. You can choose the Add button and you can choose Assign Activity. Or you can navigate to the Activity section in Seesaw and choose to browse the activity library. Once you're in the activity library, you can search for activities by grade, by subjects, or you could search by their name. Here's an activity on reading CVC words. I could look at that activity, and let's say I like that activity but I'd like to edit it. If I need to edit an activity, I need to first add it to my favourites. And then if I click on the three magic dots, I have the option to copy and edit the activity. When editing the activity, I might add my own voice instructions, or I might simply at the start add what the learning intention is for the activity. Then I can hit save, and what this has done is it's made a copy of the original activity and it's now assigned in my library. So if I go back to my library, I will see now I've now got two copies of this activity. One is the edited version that I edited and the original. I might like to remove this activity from my library and just keep my own, because in Seesaw for schools, teachers can have 500 activities, so we don't really need to keep a duplicate of the activity. I can then click on that activity, assign, and I can choose what classes I'm going to assign it to, or I could even choose which students in the class I'm going to assign it to, which folder I'm going to put it in, and which skill I would like to add. When you hit the tick and assign to one class, so this is currently going to 2 students in one folder and one skill, I can assign that to the class. I can also schedule my activities to go out at a reasonable time. So if we navigate back to the class now, because I haven't scheduled that activity, you can see that activity is now there waiting for students to make a response.